guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a Halloween room for people who love Halloween rooms. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to type in pumpkin and get 2 normal pumpkins and 2 stubby pumpkins. Then get the stylish bed and make it orange. Then type in evil and get the evil window and make it orange. Then type in neon and get the neon sign and make it brown. Okay, now get your barrier. Okay, first we are going to put it like this, then put the beds together like this. Put it on top like that, the neon sign. Then put 2 normal pumpkins over here. Then get your barrier and put it up like this. Then put 1 stubby pumpkin like that and the other stubby pumpkin like that. Then climb up and change the text to Happy Halloween. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!